Good day, everybody. How are you doing? Okay, so here I am again with my right software open, and I'm going to analyze backtesting of some of the shares where I told you that you got to concentrate on 9:30 to 9:45 candle, and based on that, you will sell a call or select it. And if the market is going down and down, then you got to sell a call, which is buying the put. And if the market is going up or at the stock is going up, then you got to buy, you got to sell put, which is equivalent to buying the call. Now let us see. These are the stocks in my watch list. Bajaj Finance, first of all. Look at the movement 6893 to 7059. If I open the 15-minute chart, you can see the candle here. This is 9:30 candle, and this is 9:45 candle. So 9:30 candle and 9:45 candle. These are adjacent candles. They tell us that the low of 9:30 candle is 6967, which is breached by 9:45 candle. So what should be the decision? You sell the call. Selling a call, how you will sell the call? Better to take a 1 hour chart and see where we can sell. Right. So if you see here, it looks like uh, resistance in the top is 7086. So let us check. If you have a Bajaj Finance call for 7,080, so we'll write here Baj Finance 7080. So there is no 7080. What about 7,000? 7,000 call. So it is showing us the spot as 48. And if I check out this candle, this is the 7,000 call chart. So 9:15, 9:45, 9:30, 9:40. If I would have sold this at 288, for example, then straight away it has gone to 60, 62, 60. So you can see the movement. 9:45 here, right? If I would have sold even at the lower point, 83, then see the lot size, 125. So 125 is the lot size. So for 1 point, you get 125 rupees. So if you would have sold it at, say, 83 or 84, right? Because the next candle is also 83, high 83. Okay. Let's say it is 80. So uh, easily you could have waited until a green candle is formed, 15-minute green candle. And here you could have sold it at 63. So 17 points. 17, you multiply it by 125. So it becomes how much? It is more than 2,000. So just by selling a call of 7,000, you would have one lot, selling Bajaj Finance one lot. You would have gained 2,000 rupees. Okay. And how much money you can sell? The margin blockage is 1,39,000, right? But you can decrease the margin if you buy a small call, right? So you sell a call or you buy a call. Let us see the option chain. Which call you would have bought. On the left is the call, on the right is put. So, for example, even if you would have bought the smallest call, 0.15, which is 9,000 call, it would have been enough to make a hedging, right? So, selling a call, buying a call makes a hedge, and you uh, decrease your margin by half. So, in probably 90,000, yes, 90,000 precisely, you would have uh, you know hedged it, and you would have gotten these points, and that too in a very short span of time, say until 11:15. This is about Fajaj Finance, about Biocon. Next is Biocon. Biocon, if I see a 15-minute chart, this is the 15-minute chart for Biocon. This is 9:45 candle. So 9:30 to 9:45 candle, 9:15, 9:30, 9:45. 9:45 candle again, it breached the 9:30 candle. So we could have sold a call here. Uh, Now, which call? That is the decision. If I check this out, it is we could have sold. This is a 1 hour chart, like 3:30 call would be safe, right? So Biocon 3:30 call. Okay. I'm again looking at the 15-minute chart. This is 9:30. This is 9:45. So after 9:45, we have sold it, for example, 1.92, and waited for this green candle to come. You could have sold it here, say 10:45, say 11, right? 1.12. So you sold at what point? Here, 9:45, 1.93, and you bought it at what? So 90 paise, right? And how much is the margin required? 1,52,000. 2,500 is the lot size. So zero point 0.9 means almost 2,000. Again, you would have taken 2,000 rupees in a very short time, right? And the margin required, you can see here, 1,52,000. So 75,000 if you were to have hedged it with a call, right? So hedging with a call will be how much? Check this out. The option chain, hedging this with a call. Take a call with the smallest one, say zero point 0.1, zero point 0.05. Depends on the number of buyers and sellers. If there are buyers and sellers, if there are sellers at 0.05, buy 0.05. And think of it as you have already wasted it, right? Although you can sell it if you can find the buyer and the seller, which are always there because it is near the expiry. So you would have taken a hedged it by a call, and you would have sold call of 330, right? So here, 330 call, that would have given you a substantial uh, amount of money. It's like 2,000, and that is our target. 1 to 2% is the target in one lot. So this was about Biocon. Now, check out ONGC. ONGC, a 15-minute chart, right? 9:15, 9:45. So 9:45 candle again breached the 9:30 candle. And you can see here a big red candle, 9:45. So immediately after that, say 9:45 candle, you see it has breached. So 9:50, you could have taken. Uh, you have sold a call. You would have sold a call. And which call you would have sold? On the safer side, 272. Wow. So let us see the option change for ONGC. 272. So there is no 272. So 275 call. So ONGC 275 call would have been how much? 75. 275 call. Check out the 15-minute chart. Here, 9:30, 9:45. Okay. It should have sold at 1, right? Um, Bought it at near this green candle. So this is point 0.7. So point 0.3 points. And how much it requires? 90,000 it requires. And the lot size is 1925. Right. So point 0.3 of 1925, it's almost 600 rupees. 600 rupees in how much time? Until 10:45. So 9:50 to 10:45, less than an hour, we get 600 points. Right. This is about now. If you would have sold, for example, a closer one, 270 for urges at 9:45. Selling a closer one is a little risk, but far off is better because now this is the last week of the expiry. So what you will do is you will sell a far off call, which is safer. But even if you're selling it a closer one, it will give you returns. So 9:45, 9:50. See here, if you would have sold it at 1.9, for example, and you have bought it at 1.5 to zero point 0.4 points, right? Again, you're gaining here, and this is very clear because the 9:45 candle breached the 9:30 candle and breached on the southern side, right? So that means you have to sell a call. This was ONGC. Let us see Tata Consumer, the next one in my word list. Tata Consumer, 9:30, green candles. 9:45, 9:45, red candle. 9:45 is the red candle. So 9:45 candle again breached the 9:30 candle. That means we have to sell the call. Which call we will sell? Check out the 1 hourly chart. 1020. Let us check the option chain for Tata Consumer. Tata Consumer option chain. It is here. 1020. 1020 call is 1.85. It closed at 1.85. So let us see how much is the call. Tata Consumer 1020. 1020 call. Check out the 15-minute chart and here 9:45 candle. So if you would have sold it here, say at 10, 4.3, and you would have waited until the whole day, then but almost 3 points, 3.5 points. And how much you would have sold it? And 57,000. Oh, this is cheap. 57,000. 450 is the lot size. So you would have gotten 4 points easily, right? 3.5 points. And the lot is 450. So 4 is a 12, grossly 1,200 rupees, right? Uh, and you could have waited the whole day, right? Because the green, but but if you see the green candle, if the criteria is this, then you would have bought it here and 2 points, solid 2 points. So it is like 800, 900 rupees in until 10:45. So 10 to 10:45, 45 minutes, you would have taken 900 rupees, right? This was Tata Consumer. Maruti. Next in my stocks list, in my watch list. Okay, 9:45. Here, 9:30 candle. This is a 15-minute chart for Maruti. This is 9:45. Right? It reached the 9:30 candle, so we would have sold the call. Now, which call we would have sold? Uh, 11,800 call would have been a safer side, right? So let us check out an 11,100 call, Maruti. 11,800 call. 11,800 call. Check this out. Here, 9:15, 9, uh, let us take the 15-minute chart. 9:15, 9:30, 9:30. So even if you sold it at 124, right, and you would have waited for the first green candle to be formed. So here, check this out. Here, uh, this is until 124 to 91. So grossly, uh, uh, how many? 24 plus 9, almost 33 points. So let us say 30 points, right? Let me remove this indicator. Okay. So 15-minute chart for this. And let me show you the option change. So Maruti is let me show you this is 50. So 30 points means 3 5 is 15, 1,500 rupees. This was for Maruti. Now, Hindustan Unilever. Check this one out. Hindustan Unilever was on the positive side. Okay, let me take out the measurement tool. It is here that we check this one out. This is 9:15 candle. This is 9:13 candle. This is 9:45. Right? This 9:45 candle, it reached the 9:30 candle, so we would have sold the put. But which put would we have sold? That will depend on this chart, like 1 hourly chart. So 1 hourly chart, uh, it's like 24,000, uh, because we are talking about the previous one. So we will not consider that. We will consider the previous lows. So 24,060, 2,460 would be the preferred one. Let us check the option chain. 2,400. Oh, no, sorry. Option chain for Hindustan Unilever. Hindustan Unilever option chain. So 2,460. 2,460 call is, it would have been in the money. So 2,460 is there, yes. So I shall write it here. Hind Unilever. Hind Unilever. 2,460 call. 15-minute chart. Right? Now we have to sell the pull 2,460 put. No, it's not the call, it's the put. So 2,460. Here, if I check out this one, this chart here, 9:15, 10:15, 10. Okay, 8. And it closed at 4.3. So the lot size is this. 3 4s are 12, 1,200 rupees. And how much? One left 12,000. If you hedge it, 60,000. Less than 60,000. So Hindustan Unilever gives you this much if you would have waited the whole day, right? So I have shown you Bajaj Finance, Biocon, ONGC, Tata Consumer, Maruti, Hindustan Union. All these stock options are selling, where only in Hindustan Unilever we sold a put, rest of them we sold a call because the market is open. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope you will be dealing with stock options selling in the manner in which I'm telling you. Because this is all based on my experience, and you know, in a very short span of time, you can gain a lot of money. Like if you have big capital, like 50,000, 60,000, then you can sell. But I prefer if you have 1 lakh, at least 1 lakh rupees, 100,000, to sell them so that you may have some capital to move. And always hedge so that you require less in margin.